Hey everyone, it's Marla here, Independent 31 Consultant. I am super excited to show you what I have inside this box right here. As a consultant, I earned an incentive and the company sent me this beautiful box of product and I want to share it with you guys today. So while I'm getting ready to open this box, please go ahead and comment below where you're watching from, and if this is the replay, let me know you're watching the replay. In the meantime, I'm going to go get some stuff right here to open it, and let's see if I can get that going right now. All right, let's take a look. So with our 31 Gifts products incentives, as a consultant, we offer they offer so many different opportunities to succeed in our company, as well as opportunities for our customers to get incentives. So every month there is a customer special that changes, and every once in a while they do send some consultant incentives that are on top of our normal consultant rewards. So let's look what's inside this box. So right here I have, ooh, I thought I had it all the way open. Hold on. Okay. Let us see what is in the box. We've got some packaging. We have all kinds of goodies. All right, let's see what I have in here. Okay. So the very first thing I received was a Way to Go flyer. In here is all of the products that came in my box. Oh my goodness, they're so nice. All right, let's see. We've got our mini snackers that just came out for this summer. We have a unicorn. Look how cute this unicorn is. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It has this little pink detailing in there. And when you open up the snacker, there is an insulated pocket, this insulated pocket right here. And I love how the little horn actually moves around. It is super, super cute. What you can't really tell right now with the lighting is that the pink at the bottom of this snacker, it's not actually white. It's a light pink, and in like a tealy blue color. So we have that right here. And then what else did I get? I got a watermelon. These are such great little snacker ideas, but I've been seeing some people use it for other things, like this little watermelon here. Since they're insulated, you can use them for your medicine. You can use them for makeup, a little travel size pouch. I like little watermelon seeds. They're so nice. So this one is that watermelon color with some green. And then one of my personal favorites is a shark. Look at my shark. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. So in the sales incentive, I received all three of the snackers, which right now they are sold out, and they should be coming back really soon. So I am taking pre-orders for these snackers. So if there's something that you're interested in, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get you set up for your pre-orders. They sold out so fast, so I'm really excited that I was able to get those unicorn ones. I have not added the unicorn yet to my collection, so that's really, really exciting. All right, what else do I have in here? Okay, so we just saw the three snackers right there. And as you can see, that unicorn has some pink in there. Let's take a look at this one right here. This is a bring a bottle thermal in on the spot pattern. This is a bring back item that's here for this summer. It is great for water bottles right here. You can see right there that it's got the cute little colorful spots. It has this navy section at the top, and it is a drawstring, so you can cinch the top of it, and there is a clip to clip this onto your backpacks, strollers, wheelchairs, just off to the side of any kind of bag, or if you're working out, you can probably even clip it to the side of a gate. so he doesn't have to touch the ground. And the nice thing about it is that on the inside, right here, is insulated like a thermal lining, so you will be able to keep things nice and cold and still have an opportunity not to have everything sweat and all the water bottles get gross. You know, this is great for students to have at their desk in their classroom. If you have students that are drinking water all day long and the water starts to condensate all over the table, you can recommend one of these so that way you don't have the water all over the table in your classroom, because I know that's no fun. So I definitely am excited that I got this in my box. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, hold on. You've got more. So this box is for consultants, but the products are available all summer long on my website. ilovebigbags143.com. Okay, so look, we got more watermelons for this summer. Isn't this just adorable? I have this product here is our cinch sack. The cinch sack has been amazing through the seasons for families. You can take them on hikes. You can take them everywhere. I think at one point my girls and I used our cinch sacks to put our dirty laundry in when we were traveling so it wouldn't mix with our clean laundry. But this cinch sack is actually a cooler bag. It is an insulated cinch sack. So look inside here. There is that shiny liner. In there, it says that it's wipeable and washable when heavily soiled. And there is a lot of room, actually. It goes all the way down to the bottom. And what I love about this bag in general in our cinch sacks is that there is a zipper right here, which many cinch sacks that are out on the market don't offer this extra pocket, which helps separate other items. So we've got tissue paper in this one, but it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, and it has room all the way to the top of the lip here. So if you're looking to store your keys and your wallet without getting it wet and still have your snacks and your waters in this side, this bag offers both opportunities. And there's the drawstring element right here. When you get your cinch sack, look for this knot. If you are short like I am, or you have kids and the bag seems a little too long for you, here's a quick hack. You can knot this and then make it a little bit shorter. So I absolutely am so excited to be able to use this watermelon cinch sack that is insulated. If you're not looking for an insulated one, we do offer them that are not insulated. Okay, so what else? I think there's some more stuff in my box. Let's see. Oh, yes. I am so excited for this. It's time to get rid of the box. Okay, our large utility tote family expanded right now, and I got to get one of these. I'm so excited. Okay, I know I'm geeking out right now, but I absolutely love large utility totes. And here is one of our large utility tote limited. Okay, our large utility tote is one of our top selling products, and the opportunity to get this in my 1K kit as a product incentive for a consultant is huge, because everyone has to have one of these in their life. Now, our large utility tote limited is a little bit different than our traditional large utility tote as far as the material and the trimming is. The structure is the same, and so is the functionality. So you can see right here, here's the large utility tote limited. It has this same grommet holes and reinforced stitching. Okay. It offers the difference here as a faux leather strap, which gives it a little more elegance and a little more refined look. It has a more canvas-like material, so it's a little bit thicker and more weighted. And the great part about this is for the month of May, the large utility tote family, the limited and the regular large utility tote are all on sale as a customer special. So with every $35 you spend on products, you can get either the large utility tote for $10 or the limited for $20. If you're not sure what that means and you need a little more details, check out the website, ilovebigbags143.com. And under the monthly specials for May, you'll see all of your options. I am so excited that I got this new kit sent to me through my products. Did you know that the large utility tote runs for $35 already? So if you're looking to get a large utility tote for $35, you can get a limited for $20. Our limited is retailed for $50. So when you're getting that bundles up with a large utility tote or another product at $35, you're saving tons and you're getting great products in return. I am super excited to rock my new limited. And the neat thing is on this one is, I don't know if you can see it as well on these colorings, but the detail is really, really pretty. I like that you can see the different twill stripe pattern in here. There's multiple colors. So you have a more denim blue, and then you have a reddish color, and then you have a white. So it seems like very, very patriotic, but it's also subtle enough to use year-round and through the summer. And when you're going out, maybe you're just looking to class it up a little bit, but you got a lot of stuff to take with you to the beach. So anyways, I am super excited about this kit to the point where I think I've said it 100 times. And the reason why is because 31 truly offers so many opportunities for consultants as well as customers. And if you're not familiar with 31 Gifts, please let me know in the comments and I will give you some great information and I'm able to answer any of your questions coming from both the customer and the consultant side. Additionally, I am looking forward to seeing many of you tomorrow because I will be attending a Celebrate and Connect meeting, which will give me some updated 411 and all things 31. So if you want some more pre-sneak peek information, make sure to join my VIP customer group at I Love Big Bags 143 on Facebook. You can get to that link through the comments that I will be putting up at the bottom of this video, as well as through this page. There's a group section. So go ahead and join there for all of the early updates and fun, exciting games and prizes. And I will see you tomorrow live with some new information and some fun new products. Have a wonderful rest of your night. Bye.